All right, children, are you guys ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
You're ready, Car? You're gonna go to the beach? Huh? You don't know. What beach are you going to? You guys don't know. Do you think you've been at the beach before? You think it's a new one? Because they have beaches everywhere on this island. All right. Where are my shoes? Where are these purple ones? Right, car? The nice thing about the beaches on the island is that they always have street food. They have these food trucks, ice cream, roti. Everybody's there on Sundays. It's just like a thing everybody does on the island. Everybody goes to the beach and has fun. So that's what we're going to be doing. Stay tuned. Are you gonna say hi? Say hi, Mama. Yeah? Wow, are you at the beach? Wow. Mama car. Mama car. Mama car. Mama car. Mama car. Thank you, darling.
No popsicle?
Oh, you gonna take my girl? Oh, I got you chocolate. And say popsicles. Cheers. Yay. So warm. Jazz and Joe are in the water again. Well, they're back in the water. Car, you gonna say hi? Hi, Kari. Put some music with it and just, I'm not going to talk over it, it's just music, so they can just see the views. Jazz, are you having fun? Yeah? Say hi. dogs stay in the shade. They're like, it's too hot for us out here. You saw a shark? How'd you see a shark? They're so funny. I saw a shark.
Sure you want to get in?
You got to get your feet wet. Wow, are you guys ready to eat?
No.
No. Come on, Jojo. The salt got in it. Josiah. Shalom, family. We made it back from the beach. Everybody's exhausted. Well, actually, I'm lying. Somehow, the middle children, like Josiah here, they are not exhausted. Are you not exhausted? And I'm trying to figure out why you still have so much energy. Because, you know, we went to the beach so they could lose energy, you know. But children. But thank y'all. You know, they're healthy and they are balls of energy, literally. So it is what it is. But we had a beautiful time. Y'all see those views? That was the Pier Bay Beach on the north of the island. They have ice cream, they have rotis, they have pizza, they have fried chicken, they have all types of food out there that you can get while you're at the beach. They have slushies, they have boats, they have those tubing things like when you go on the boat, and they have the tubes that you can ride in. There's a lot to do on this island on a regular Sunday. And as I was just sitting there in the ocean, crystal clear waters, light blue waters, just sitting there, just so relaxed, like, y'all, this is the life. Like, I can't even put it into words. It's one of those bucket list destinations that if you are blessed enough to visit here, and then even more so blessed to live here, oh my gosh, it's the type of place you just don't ever want to leave. That's why we're still here. Like, wait, why would I leave paradise? I would not. I think I will stay in paradise and enjoy it to the fullest extent possible. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know, would you ever visit this beach? I mean, we were just floating in the water. The children were playing. They're older now, so we can see them as we're swimming in the water. They're playing on the beach. Families are everywhere, as you can see in the video. Hopefully the video did that justice. All the locals were out, just everybody. It's just like, and you can just feel the vibes of unity, and just like everybody's just out having fun. There's no drama, there's no violence. It's just simple humanity, the way we should all be living, period. Okay? And so that was our experience today. that's the end of the vlog. I have some work to do, okay? Your girl got some work to do because we're busy. We're in the launch season of Black Educators Amplified Cohort 6. So I have meetings tonight, meeting also with my one-to-one freelance copywriting mentor session where I'm mentoring a copywriter. We're about 50% of the way through. She's doing phenomenal. I can't wait to read her blogs tonight. Hopefully she wrote those. She does have a lot of homework. You know, when we do our curriculum development, we give our students and clients a lot of work to do because it's very much results based. Like, we want you to get here or get to Cape Verde or get to South Africa, Kenya, wherever you're going, if you want to go to Thailand. But we want you to be able to run your online business sustainably and drive revenue so that you can get these digital nomad residents, so you can get these permits, so you can live your best life abroad, because your clients do not care about you being abroad. Let me tell you what they care about. They care about, can you deliver results? Can you be consistent? And can you manage their projects effectively? If you can do those three things, they don't care if you live in Alaska. They don't care if you live in Antarctica. They just want you to deliver. So shalom, shalom. I'll see you in the next video.